do what I'm doing. Do as I say, not as I do.
My wife is gonna love this. Park right by my E30 on jack stands. This is gonna be perfect. Yeah. Do headlights work on this?
I think so.
Okay. As long as it goes forward and the headlights work, I think it's mostly.
Every now and then the brakes get a little funky. Like if you tap them, sometimes they'll lock up a little bit. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Downshifting is there for a reason.
Yeah,
Brakes are optional.
Yeah.
They only slow you down.
It shifts pretty well. The tall shifter too is pretty nice.
So it's like you're gonna hit your knees in it.
Yeah. You do when you're going into like second, you do hit your knee.
Okay.
Yeah. We've driven it around the neighborhood and like over a bunch of things and like it's fine. It's just like it's a little sketchy.
He's done tons of off-road.
Yeah, we did Gambler a few years ago. Do the summer one, not the winter one.
Yeah, we're doing the OG Gambler.
We did it in November in like a 91 Toyota Corolla. I remember driving through like Tillamook, and our headlights were pointing straight at the sky. Buddy was in the front seat. I just remember thinking like, that guy's a father. What am I doing? Did you get a winch right away about it? No. He didn't even have like good tires.
Cool.
There.
Get him a fountain pen.
A quill.
What's today?
14.
I almost put 01. What the hell's wrong with me?
Here's the title.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Keys.
Enjoy it as much. I hope you enjoy it more than we did.
We're gonna take care of it until we destroy it. I hope I make it back to Long Beach again.
Did we put the wheel spacers on, or did
No, it came like that.
Oh, there you go. Slap that thing on there.
Dude, the shifter.
Yeah.
Dude, when you just shut the door, like everything just moved. Alex,
you should go out there with a bunch of. That's the thing
We
that
talked
everybody
about that.
else is gonna.
Yeah.
She's alive. Good shocks for off-road. Good. Questionable that stays on. Good enough.
No way, dude. Is it not gonna work?
First burnout. I told you you were doing trailer burnouts.
Just come do that on a regular basis. Just in the morning.
Get that off at all costs. Good to meet you, man. As well.
Nice to meet you. Good luck and luck in everything.
Okay, and we'll, I mean, if there's any issues,
Say goodbye.
Oh, you know, like
It's gonna look beautiful in the driveway, man. It's pretty sweet. It's a